In this video, we're going to prepare a powerful liquid fertilizer and a gentle insect repellent using just two simple items that most people usually throw away. This method is easy, low cost, and suitable for vegetables, houseplants, and garden plants. It not only nourishes your plants, but also helps keep common pests away naturally. The first ingredient we need is orange peels. You can use fresh peels from oranges eaten at home. If possible, avoid heavily waxed peels, and if you have them, simply rinse them with water. Orange peels are rich in natural oils, potassium, and organic compounds that plants benefit from, but insects tend to dislike. Collect enough peels so blending is worthwhile. Place the orange peels into a blender and add just a small amount of water, only enough to help the blender run smoothly. We want a concentrated mixture, not a diluted one. Blend until the peels turn into a thick, smooth liquid. This step releases the natural oils and nutrients trapped inside the peels. Now take a bucket and add a little warm water. The water should be warm, not hot, as warmth helps the oils and compounds from the orange peels infuse more effectively. Pour the blended orange peel liquid into the bucket and mix thoroughly so it spreads evenly through the water. After mixing, loosely cover the bucket with a cloth or a lid. It doesn't need to be airtight. The goal is to keep insects out while allowing some airflow. Leave the mixture undisturbed for 24 hours. During this time, the beneficial oils and compounds from the peels will slowly infuse into the water, creating a strong liquid extract. After 24 hours, the orange peel solution is ready. Take another container and fill it halfway with clean water. Place a cloth over the bucket to act as a filter, then carefully pour 1 jug of the orange peel liquid through the cloth into the new container. The cloth will catch any solid particles, leaving a clean liquid that won't clog your spray bottle. Now add the second key ingredient, compost tea. Compost tea is rich in beneficial microorganisms that support soil health and plant growth. Pour 1 jug of compost tea through the same cloth into the container with the diluted orange peel liquid. This keeps the mixture clean and well filtered. Stir thoroughly so both liquids combine evenly. If you're not familiar with compost tea, there are many simple methods available, and even a basic compost tea works perfectly for this mixture. Your liquid fertilizer and mild insect repellent is now ready to use. You can pour it into a spray bottle and apply it directly to your plants, focusing on the leaves, especially the undersides where insects often hide. When sprayed, this solution helps repel pests while providing light nutrients and improving leaf health naturally. You can also apply this liquid to the soil around the base of your plants. Make sure the soil is slightly moist before use. When applied as a soil drench, it feeds beneficial microbes, improves nutrient availability, and supports stronger root development. Although this mixture is gentle, it's best to apply it in the early morning or late evening, avoiding strong sunlight. Use it once every 7 to 10 days and observe your plants. Healthier leaves, improved growth, and fewer pests are clear signs that it's working. With just orange peels and compost tea, you've turned kitchen waste into something truly useful. This simple process saves money, reduces waste, and helps keep your garden healthy in a natural and sustainable way.